YouTube, welcome back to Wtf Rc Cars. So we've got the RC10 CC completely finished. Still not got the replacement knuckles and still not got the missing E-clip, unfortunately. I think it's been about 3 weeks now and I've not heard anything from CML or Team Associated. But we do have it finished. I've decided to just give it a quick blast over on the inside with pearl for the actual wing and body, and the driver I've used the lame flake, whatever it's called, just to highlight it a little bit, just to make it so you can see there's something on it. Shows up really well under some light, and then other light it looks completely clear. But let's bring in for a close-up look and take you through a few things I've done with this. And it's a little bit different to any other RC10 CC that I've seen. So we've got the actual lights fitted. Now to attach the driver cockpit, I've actually screwed it through because I didn't want some like real black bits of sticker just showing on it. Not sure if I'm going to put the actual transfer stickers on it, but I didn't want the black sticky tape showing through, so I've actually moved these lights back slightly and bolted them straight through to hold the actual body on. Now it's a weird one, strange design. I mean, that just pushes in. It does tell you to bend it slightly, so if you're wondering how we fit the wing, sorry, that's basically how it fastens on and just pushes in them two holes. The body doesn't particularly fit well, so if we look on front, I've actually fitted the 2 extra spacers under the front mount, and it's still nowhere near where the body actually sits. You end up really forcing the body shell down. But the rear, I've also had to add 2 more of the shims to that one. So you need your hole cut for the actual body, and that's how I've mounted the driver cockpit. Now I'm not sure if any of the sort of glitter effect will show up, but I have painted it in pearl and the weird Tamiya flake colour that's all metallic. I did mask all the windows off, so they're all perfectly clear. But yeah, it does fit. I've got the electronics fastened in, and we've got it bound up to the Fly Sky MB4. So let's see if I can get any of these body pins to go back in. So the front one will go in, so will the back. But the collars on the shocks, I had to loosen them off and move them around, because where the kit tells you to put them facing in, you can't get to adjust them and they hit the actual body shell. Just chalk that up to another glaring flaw with this kit. Be careful when you put body shell on, it always pops that little rubber grommet out. But other than that, everything else, it will go together. The design at wing, it is what it is. There's nothing holds it in, so if you roll it, it's going to squash it to the car, or if it catches it, it's going to rip it out. But I thought I'd do something a little bit different with this kit that I'd not seen done yet. So we have fully controllable left and right lighting, so we can have them same colour, different colours. I thought, seems like you don't spray this RC, might be nice to have a choice of what colour you have it, or if nothing else you can turn it into a lamp, and then at least it serves some use, because there's not really much else use for this kit. But yeah, we got loads of colours to choose from, and you can have it in white if you like, or we can have it doing some crazy weird chase effects. Or it will strobe. Not sure if that just carries on going through colours or just stays blue. But we've also got colour cycle. So this will just constantly keep going through different colours. Not sure how well these are going to show up on camera, but these LEDs are insanely bright. And then you can also have RGB. Or you can turn it off. And when you do power on the RC, you get the chase effect, so you know it's actually turned on. But yeah, lots of different lighting effects to choose from. And all you do is either press and hold the channel that you've got connected this kit up to. So all I've done with these is just stuck the LEDs around the outside and it just plugs into channel 3. I will leave a link to the actual light kit in the description if I can find it still. I did get a good few of these and they do work really well. Crazy bright, they don't need extra power, they just plug into the receiver and it effectively splits one channel into two by long or short press, so it lets you control both sides from one channel. There is actually buttons on the controller as well, you can press them to change it. So if you did just want to power this up, you can still set the lights. If you just wanted it powered off a battery powering the receiver, you could do it. Or you could just have a 6-volt battery powering the actual lights if you'd prefer to do that. But I thought if this is going to be a shelf queen, then it may as well be a lamp, and they are crazy bright. It would work as a lamp. But let's wrap this one up. So there you have it, a crazily, insanely bright RC10 CC. And I think it's about the best thing you can do with this kit, just turn it into a table lamp. But hopefully you find the video amusing, entertaining, or just useful. But thanks again for watching Wtf Rc Cars. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and catch you guys again in the next one.